Are you ready to transform your health in this new year? Imagine waking up every day feeling energized, vibrant, and ready for the day. Hi everyone, welcome to Your Health Concern. In today's video, we'll explore how to start your healthy lifestyle and transform your life. Whether you want to lose weight, boost your energy, feel better in your own skin, or simply live a healthier life, this guide will set you on the right path. Stick around until the end for actionable tips you can start using today, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips to help you reach your goals. Let's get started. Number 1. Setting your intentions. First things first, let's talk about setting intentions. Before diving into any lifestyle changes, it's essential to understand why you want to embark on this journey. Is it for better health, improved mood, increased energy, or something else? Write down your goals and keep them somewhere visible. This will serve as a constant reminder of why you started. Remember, having a why makes it easier to stay committed. 2. Small achievable goals. Let's break your goals down into small, achievable steps. Instead of aiming for a complete transformation of your lifestyle overnight, focus on 1 or 2 areas at a time. For example, you might start by incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your meals or committing to a daily 10-minute walk. Celebrate these small victories, they build momentum and keep you motivated. 3. Creating a morning routine. Mornings set the tone for your day, so a simple routine can make a big difference. Start by hydrating with a glass of water to wake up your body. Move for 5 minutes, stretch or do light yoga to boost energy. Practice gratitude by thinking of 3 things you're thankful for. Also, plan your day by writing down your top 3 priorities for the day. This not only helps you stay focused but also gives you a sense of control, reducing overwhelm. Even a 15 minutes routine can transform your day. Consistency is key. 4. Nutrition basics. Now, let's discuss nutrition, the cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle. Understanding the basics of nutrition can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Focus on foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Try healthy meal planning at the beginning of each week to make healthy eating easier. Not only does this save time, but it also helps you resist the temptation of unhealthy options when you're hungry. 5. Staying hydrated. Hydration is another key element that often gets overlooked. Drinking enough water can boost your metabolism, improve digestion, and enhance your energy levels. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily. You can keep a water bottle with you to make it easier. If plain water doesn't excite you, infuse it with fruits or herbs for added flavor. How do you stay hydrated? Share your favorite tips in the comments. Number 6. Regular physical activity. Let's move on to physical activity. Finding an exercise routine you enjoy is crucial for long-term sustainability. Whether it's yoga, dancing, cycling, or hiking, the goal is to get moving. Aim for at least 1 hour, 30 minutes of moderate aerobic activity each week, along with strength training exercises twice a week. If you're unsure where to start, consider joining fitness class or finding workout videos online that match your interests and fitness level. 7. Prioritizing sleep. Now let's not forget about sleep. Quality sleep is essential for recovery and overall well-being. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night, and establish a relaxing bedtime routine. This could include activities like reading, meditating, or practicing deep breathing exercises. Quality sleep will help you feel more energized and focused throughout the day. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. 8. Mindfulness and stress management. Let's talk about mindfulness, a powerful tool to improve your well-being. Mindfulness is all about being fully present in the moment, paying attention to what's happening right now, without judgment. It's like hitting the pause button on a busy day to check in with yourself. You don't need hours of meditation to practice mindfulness. Start small. Try focusing on your breathing for a minute, inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Or, take a mindful walk, paying attention to the sounds, smells, and sights around you. Mindfulness is one of the best ways to manage stress. Stress is a natural part of life, but when left unchecked, it can disrupt your body and mind. By practicing mindfulness, you teach your brain to respond to stress more calmly and effectively. 9. Building a support system. Building a support system is another essential aspect of starting a healthy lifestyle. Surround yourself with friends or family members who share similar goals or interests. Consider joining online communities or local groups focused on health and wellness. Sharing your journey with others can provide accountability and encouragement, making the process more enjoyable. Consider sharing this video with a friend who can be part of your support system. Number 10. Tracking progress and adjusting. As you start implementing these changes, it's important to track your progress. This could be through a journal, an app, or even a simple spreadsheet. Regularly review what's working and what needs adjustment. Don't be afraid to adjust your plan to fit your lifestyle better. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. Are you willing to start your healthy lifestyle in this year? By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to achieving your health goals. Now that you know how to start your healthy lifestyle this year, it's exciting to know what's one small change you're planning to make to prioritize your health. Share your goal in the comments below. Our community would love to hear from you. Use the links in the description box below for other videos. Thank you. Your health, my concern.